Hello and welcome to Mark Explains Desktop RAM Upgrade. It's a very easy process. Just start by removing the two screws on the back of the computer that holds the side panel. Once the screws are removed, the side panel can be easily removed to expose the RAM inside the computer. You can see the RAM centrally located on the motherboard. You can remove the RAM modules by pushing the white clips away from the RAM module. Once the white clips are pushed away, the RAM module can be easily removed. Once you remove the RAM module, you can see that there is a small gap, not quite in the center of the RAM module, but slightly off center. Once you remove the RAM modules, you will notice that there are two separate colors of RAM slots. It is very important when installing new RAM, if you're only installing two, that you use one color or the other. When installing the RAM, you must line up the center gap into the RAM module slot. Once it is lined up, you can just gently push the RAM module into its slot, and the white clips will actually self-engage once you fully push the RAM module into its slot. Here is a close-up look of the white clips during the removal and reinstallation process. So there you have it. We have removed and installed new RAM. Just need to reinstall the side panel, reinstall the screws at the back of the panel, and then power up your computer to ensure that it boots correctly, and you're ready to go and enjoy your new, faster computer.